So baby, tell me what you're into, with your fine face and your...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine. Me myself, I'm doing fabulous. I don't know why I always say that, but I am doing fabulous. So thank you guys for checking my YouTube channel, and as you can see, my YouTube channel is Lady Vicky and my real name is Victoria. First, when I started YouTube, I didn't know exactly what to call myself, so I was like, maybe I should call myself Queen Victoria, Victoria Style, Victoria this and that. And I come to realize that Lady Vicky was the easiest to catch, like was the easiest to catch. So that's how my Lady Vicky come to life. As you can see, my YouTube channel is about fashion and beauty. I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just simply love makeup, and I'm actually learning new things day by day. And I know I haven't done so many YouTube videos of my makeup, but if you go back and see those videos that I've done before, you can actually spot and see the difference between then and now. I always want to talk when I'm doing my YouTube videos so you guys can get to know me better. But the thing is, like, every time, but when I'm doing my videos on the camera, I'm always very quiet because I want to focus and get the look I'm looking for. So I cannot be moving around, I cannot be doing that. So this is a challenge for me, but I want to talk more in my YouTube so we can get to know each other better. So guys, now you know that I like to do what I'm doing, and I have a lot to improve when it comes to makeup and talking my videos, which I'm planning to do more of. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to give a thumbs up, and see you next in my other videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. it from Kiko. It has like a little bit like pink, and I'm going to use this brush. I'm using a NYX lip gloss, and this one is number 15. And to make my makeup stays and look nice, I'm going to use my finish spray. What's it called? Setting spray from Milani. Oi, it smells so nice. It's actually new. I just opened it now.